What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be testing the hype with the WD-40. Can it really clean a set of headlights? So what I'm going to do is take some of this WD-40 here and test it against the 3M headlight restoration system to see which works best. Alright guys, so I've got my 2004 Honda Pilot here, and these are the headlights. You can see they're all dingy and yellow. We're going to clean these babies up and see which one looks better. Alright guys, let's check out the legendary WD-40 on this headlight. Alright, not too bad. To be honest, I'm pretty surprised that it looks as well as it does. Wow! Instantly that thing just looks dramatically better. Not too bad. Alright, look at that headlight. Let's compare it to the other side. Wow. Huge difference with just seconds how that WD-40 takes it and makes it look quite a bit better. So I'm amazed how well that WD-40 cleaned this up, but here's the ultimate question. Did it actually clean the lens cover up? Did it clean the headlight up? Or are we just looking at oil on the headlight that just makes it look better? So I've got this degreaser here, which is designed to pull away grease and oil. I want to spray it on there and then wipe it off and kind of simulate what it's going to be like over time as the oil, as the WD-40 wears off the headlight. Is it going to last? So to kind of quicken that process up rather than leave this out in the sun here for months, let's take some of the engine cleaner and let's clean the headlight. Alright, so the headlight is looking better, but when I got the oil off of it with the degreaser, you can actually see some of the yellowing and stuff coming back. Now I just want to use some glass cleaner and spray on it, and just to see how it takes out some of the streaks from the degreaser. Alright guys, so I've cleaned the headlight, so to speak, with the WD-40. I've then cleaned it with some degreaser and then cleaned it with some glass cleaner. And now you can see basically what this headlight would look like after you WD-40'd your headlight and then washed your car a few times and let it sit out in the sun. This is how it would look after. Alright guys, so I've used this 3M headlight restoration system before. I've got another video that's more of a how-to step-by-step instructional video on this product. So I'll link that below the video along with a link to purchase this kit. That being said, if you want some more instructions, check out the other video. Now let's get cleaning this headlight. Alright guys, so this is a multi-step process. First you're going to sand the headlight here with this sandpaper. You can see I've got the headlight masked off here with some automotive masking tape, and I'll just take and sand this off. And that is one reason why I believe this method is going to be better, is it's actually removing and sanding off the oxidation. Alright, so now I've sanded the oxidation from the headlight. I've taken a 500 grit, then an 800 grit, and now I'm taking a 3000 grit and some water to polish the light up. Now it's time for the 3M rubbing compound. Alright, I'm super excited how that turned out. I mean, just look how clean that freaking lens is. Now I'm going to clean it with some glass cleaner just like I did the other side to wipe off any waxy residue. Alright, so you can see that that is just crystal clear and looks way better than the other side. So we're not just leaving an oily residue covering up the oxidation, we've removed and cleaned the oxidation from the headlight. Now would be a good time to apply a sealer or even paint it with a clear coat, an automotive graded clear coat. That's going to keep that shine a lot longer now that you've got the oxidation off. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and clean up the other side. Alright guys, I hope that video helped you. Make sure you share that video with everyone you know. Post it everywhere, like it, share it. Thanks so much for watching DIY Bry. Keep watching my videos. I've got a lot more how-to videos, product reviews coming up, so make sure you subscribe to my channel.